everyone. Welcome to part 5 of the Fresher series. And in this part, we are going to see what is ITSM, what is ITIL, and the base table of ServiceNow and the major tables, some of them that are important. So I will start with ITSM. Basically, what is ITSM and what is the use of ITSM in ServiceNow. So first, what is ITSM? It is IT service management. Basically, it refers to a approach of designing, developing, and managing the services in any organization. So this is a basic definition that you will see on the ServiceNow website also. But what is the use of ITSM in ServiceNow? So in ServiceNow, ITSM is set of workflows and tools which helps in developing, designing and managing the IT services in any organization. Okay. So if we are going to take any examples of, so it will be like you are working for any organization and in that you are managing one of the services. Let's say it can be anything or you are working on that, and first thing will be developing it. Okay, before that you will check. So as per ITSM, you will have some strategy. First the designing will take part, then how it is going to be developed and how it will be transitioned and how it will be managed later on. So this is how it will be. So this is what ITSM is. So now comes the second part, that is ITIL. That is IT infrastructure library. So it is nothing but a subset of ITSM and it is a framework of best practices guidelines. So to summarize this ITIL, it is like, for example, you can take it as we have three layers. So we are going one by one. First layer will be strategy. What is the strategy? This is the best guidelines that this framework provides, which is used as ServiceNow ITSM. So there will be some strategy. Then the second layer, three things will be coming like decision. What is the decision for that? What how we are going to transition that, and then how it will be operated in future. So these three things, and this will go in loop. Okay. So this is the framework. Now, when I'm saying these things, it means, for an example, you are working on some development and you have to move your updates to another higher instance. So higher instance means when any organization is working with ServiceNow provides some instances. So there will be dev instance, QA instance, then you will have UAT testing instance, then you will have pre-prod, prod, sandbox, many. But majorly, like for developers, the three major instances that are very important will be there, and additionally, you can have many. Your organization can have many. So dev, QA, and prod will be there. So developers will do the development in dev. It will move to QA for testing, and then it will be moved to prod if no issues found. So this is how it is going to happen. So in dev, as a developer, the strategy should be that whatever designing we are going to do for this product or whatever updates are going to happen, we have to strategically do it. We have to design it properly. We have to develop it properly. We have to transition it to the higher instances, means from dev to QA, QA to prod, and then how it will be operated. Okay, the operation team will take care of it, of that product in prod. So this is how whole workflow or flow works, right? This is the framework that ServiceNow in ServiceNow you have to follow. Now comes this base table in ServiceNow. So ServiceNow, whenever any organizations comes with ServiceNow, join hands. So they ServiceNow provides instances, and in those instances you will see there are some default functionalities, tables, records, data is already there. That is known as out of the box from ServiceNow, out of the box data from ServiceNow. So similarly, we have this base table which many other table extends, and that base table has pre-configured client scripts, business rules, everything is configured and it is given by ServiceNow. Okay, that is the base table. It has many fields, it has many policies, and then that can be leveraged by other tables. So they extend it basically. So now this is known as task table. So now the name of the base table is task table. This is also one of the interview question you will get in your journey in ServiceNow. What are the major tables? So there are some major tables that ServiceNow has provided. The three important ones that anyone when you are working or you are about to join ServiceNow, so you will see, you will hear these tables: incident, problem, and change. Okay, so these are the major tables. You can say the major pillars that will be already there from ServiceNow, and it will be used by any organization. And as a ServiceNow developer or tester, you will have to work on these tables. Okay, so these are the some tables, the major tables. Then there are some more, like the catalog item table. Then we have knowledge bases. These are some others, but the top three are these: incident, problem, change. So I'm not going to cover in this video because I don't want to make it very lengthy. It should be short. So I'm going to create next video, and in that I will cover the table and how it is working, the flow behind that table, and the forms and everything for a particular table, how it is getting used in any organization. So see you in the next video. Thank you.